Types of errors. Error is a term used to describe any issue that arises unexpectedly in a computer. As a result, the computer could not function properly. Computers can encounter two types of errors, either software errors or hardware errors. Hardware error. A hardware error is a malfunction of a hardware component such as CPU, RAM, etc. in a computer system. Software error. Software errors result due to some fault in a computer program. Types of errors in Python. Keyboard error. Raised when the user presses the interrupt key, Ctrl+C or delete. Indentation error. Raised when there is an incorrect indentation in a program. Import error. Raised when the imported file is not found. Syntax error. Raised by the parser when syntax is not used properly. Name error. Raised when a variable is not found.